So the first page on your assessment is going to be milk. So some things I wanted to go over is reading the labels. So reading the labels is important to understand the size of milk. Most of us can identify a gallon and a half gallon and a pint and a quart. But if you can't, it should say it on the label of the milk. And the fat percentage will also say it on the label of the milk. Skim is also known as fat-free. And then there's whole, and then 1% and 2%. And shelf space is also a question on here. It's under B number 2. And just put these in percentages. So, and they're just your best guesstimate. And I want to see percentages. So like maybe 25% of the shelf space is dedicated to whole gallons. And on this slide, I have a picture showing y'all the different sizes of milks. They're pretty obvious. They just go in order of biggest to smallest. And as you can see, they say it on the label. And for shelf space, so here's a good example of a shelf space. So there are 5 shelves in each refrigerator, and 4 out of the 5 shelves are dedicated to gallons. So that would be like 90% or so is dedicated to gallons. And then you could divide that up into, maybe the first one is whole, the middle one is 2%, and then the red one on the right is 3%. So you could say whole milk gallon is about 30%. 2% gallon is about 30%. Red percent gallon is about 30%. And then maybe the half gallons are 5% each. But, this is just an estimate. Even if you put the half gallons at 10% each, that would be okay too. Just use your best guess, some basic math assumption skills.